For the half of Jamaica that has not been affected, your productivity will have to increase right away.
Males in Jamaica, if you get born, you can load like this. But anyway, now, Andrew HOLNESS, you intend for the country to double its output, otherwise we do. The 60% unaffected by the hurricane must double its output. But you were unable to grow the country 5% in 4 years. Now it's been 9 years and you struggle for 1% or 0.1% growth. As a matter of fact, the country has been in recession before the hurricane leak. So, I'm not really sure, you know. I'm not really sure how we are going to grow 100% when you couldn't grow 5% in 4 years. Matter of fact, remember say, Leaching did cut left that assignment there. Yeah. So, I don't know if it's pipe dreams. You come like a man with a crack, you know. You know, but you get away with it. So,
bring human suffering to an end early. And those persons who are opposed to us going back to school and going back to work, get that out of your mind. Get the economy up and running right away. That is the only way we are going to be able to fund the recovery quickly. And I urge all Jamaicans to get that mindset in. For the half of Jamaica that has not been affected, your productivity will have to increase right away. Madam Speaker, Melissa dealt a severe blow to our national road network and public infrastructure.